1. Start off by casting a circle. This will draw the positive energy around you so that there is no chance that any unwanted spirits will interrupt you. Make sure that you have brought something resembling your element into the center. 2. Sit down in the middle of your circle and take the object that resembles your element. The objects to represent each one could mean anything you think represents the element and that feels right to you. Some examples are water, a cup of water, ice, seashells, blue candles. Fire, a red, orange, or yellow candle, ashes, red cloth, matches. Earth, a flower pot of earth, a stone, a branch or plant. Air, a feather, some incense, a fan. Spirit, a purple candle, a circle of twine, a clear crystal. 3. Run your hands through over the object that represents your element or focus on the candle that represents your object. Staring into its depths. Think of how it feels to be consumed by your element, e.g. water, underwater, fire, on a hot summer's day, earth, buried underground, and air, in the center of a windstorm. Imagine it taking care of you, making sure you can breathe underwater, that you don't get too hot so you don't get crushed by the earth, or that you don't get whipped away by the wind. Think of the things related to that element, the feelings that element evokes within you, the positive helpful side of the element, and the strong destructive force it has within it, e.g. water's cool refreshment and the power of its tsunami, fire's warmth and usefulness in cooking, and the power of a raging inferno, the soft gentle breeze and the raging tornado, earth's power to nourish growing things, and the power of an earthquake. 4. Call the element forth. You can speak to it as though it was another person, asking it to join you, or just open your mind to it, inviting it freely to you. Allow your spirit to flow freely, connecting with your element on a deep and powerful level. 5. Thank it once you have finished with it and ask it to return to its normal position in the circle, then close the circle.